Sharif back here, and today I'm here with a video, and I like to share you some tips about how to do a night witch attack in Clash of Clans. That is in the builder base. So let's see this. So all put a thumbs up who all are still loving playing Clash of Clans in this lockdown. Yeah, in the comment section below. Okay guys, so how are you all doing? Hope you all are fine and fit. Yeah, hope many of them are indulged in their online studies or in online jobs. Don't worry, God is there and He'll always do the best to us. Yeah, another thing, I got a recent question, same like a previous video of one of my friend in my Instagram. He asked me that, bro, your first video was very amazing and great about Clash of Clans, and I want to know a new attack which is the Night Witch attack in the builder base. So can you teach it? So that's why I'm making this video, not only to him, to all. So please support me to reach 1k subscribers, inshallah. Okay, so this is my builder base, builder hall level 7, and I have Night Witch, and my Night Witch is level 13 here. Okay, good. And moreover, for Night Witch attack, at least you need to have Witch level 7 or 8, or else your Witch won't do a proper attack. So okay, let's start with the attack now. So before that, I'll tell you some important tips. See, for witches, the main enemy is the multi-mortar. Multi-mortar takes almost all of the witches. So before you are doing a witch attack, you need to make sure that you have a battle machine here, which represents the Barbarian King, and you need to use this to distract this until these witches take this multi-mortar off. Yeah, and another thing you need to be aware is about roster. Don't apply the roster. Don't apply the night witches directly to the rosters, just like here, or else you'll end up your attack losing with the enemy. Yeah. Okay, so let me guide you now. Bismillah. Okay. So this is enemy base, opponent base. So let's start with the attack. Yeah. So choose any corner from here. I choose the right side corner, and in this right side corner, make sure that you apply a witch first to see that is there any Jane bomb, or else all the witches will die because of one Jane bomb. Yeah, it's free here. So I'm applying all the witches here, and I need to distract the multi-mortar. So I wanna place my battle machine here. As you all can see, it is distracted here, and keep on pumping his ability, and you will see the attack. Wait. I don't think I will get a full star, but let me try. I'm here to guide you, okay? Yeah. See, yeah, multi-mortar is destroyed, and now the target is the roaster. Yeah, did you see just now? Because of Jane bomb, all the witches have gone. I mean, not all the witches, some witches, but if it is at the starting point, all the witches have gone and your attack would have ruined here. Yeah. So let's start here. 3, 2, 1. Come on, 3-star. Yeah, come on. Hey, Farhan, you are really very king player, bro. Nice. Cool, mashallah. Yeah, it's a clean, complete 3-star. Yeah. So this is the complete guide of how to do a Night Witch attack. And the pro tips are: first, destroy the multi-mortar by just distracting. You don't need to destroy also, you don't need to care anything. Just take these witches, apply at any corner, and afterwards make sure that you apply one witch to test that any Jane bomb is there or not. and afterwards it's simple. Just distract your multi-promoter by your precious battle machine, and after distracting this, automatically don't worry, witches will take care of all the thing. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for your cooperation. I hope all the Clash of Clans gamers are paying attention to my advice and speeches. Okay, thank you. Make sure you share this, subscribe, and help me to reach 2000 followers or at least 1K. Yeah, please. Thank you.